The Crypto Ultimatum Review, is it worth buying? There are a lot of scams on the internet these days. The Crypto Ultimatum Review is one of them. It has been seen by many as a big scam, and it is not hard to see why. However, there are those who still believe in this Ponzi scheme and the promises that it holds for you. So before you jump in with both feet, why not take a look at the Crypto Ultimatum to decide for yourself if it's worth your investment? The Crypto Ultimatum is a Bitcoin and cryptocurrency investment program that promises to make you rich. It promises to give you a return on your investment in the form of free Bitcoin daily. But this may seem too good to be true, so be careful. The Crypto Ultimatum may just be a scam. But if it's not, it could be the best bet for your next investment. Crypto Ultimatum was founded by two people with an early investment idea for how to make money through cryptocurrency trading. They managed to raise $30 million in just 80 days. The Crypto Ultimatum is a binary options trading system that claims to guarantee profits. Whether or not this is true is up for debate, but there is no doubt the Crypto Ultimatum has some impressive features. But there are a few key features that this trading system lacks and should be improved on to be truly usable and profitable. Link in description to Crypto Ultimatum. Subscribe to our channel and never miss a beat.